Hey, this is Spencer with Better PC Health, and today I'm going to show you how to update Windows 10. I'm going to start by clicking on the Start menu, heading over to the Settings. Once you give that a click, you'll pull up the Control panel and scroll down. Click on Updates and Security. It'll load up the Windows Update section. I sped this up quite a bit because I didn't want to sit through a couple hours of this, and I did some magic in the editing so I could show you all the possible screens. But we're just going to click on Check for Updates, and it's going to run through, find out what updates are available, and start installing them for you. Once that's done, you'll be prompted with a restart. Go ahead and do that. And if you're seeing the error about some settings are managed by your organization, I'll link another video to show you how to fix that. If you get a restart prompt, go ahead and do it. If you saved all your documents and things, it's safe to do that. And I recorded the outside of the screen because my screen capture software wouldn't get this, but I wanted to make sure you would know what is possible to happen. And this is actually what took quite a while. I cut out big chunks of this and sped up the video. That's why my circle's spinning so fast. But it will get the updates ready for a while, and then it will go to 30%. Once it reaches 30%, the computer will reboot. Once it reboots, you'll see it finish to 100%. And then it will start up Windows. Once Windows starts and you log in, you might see this screen, and this is completely normal. And sometimes this screen can take quite a while. I think on this particular install, it took about 15 minutes. Then once this is done, you'll be brought back up to Windows, and sometimes the Edge browser will open up and say, "Welcome to the new update."
Thanks for watching, everybody.